Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Chinoyelum. You're welcome. Thank you for joining the family. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe at the end of this video. So today's video we are going to be, ignore my the way I'm talking. I had surgery, so the thing have not healed properly. But I need to film video for you guys. I can't keep saying I have surgery, and at least I can talk now. I wasn't talking before, so it made me not to be filming. But today, the wound is almost gone. Thank you to all those who checked up on me. I really appreciate you guys so much. The people that called, sent me messages on my Instagram and WhatsApp. God bless you people all very much for me. I am doing this video because I know you people care, and I still want to give out the content for you guys. So thank you all who checked up on me, and we are recovering. We'll be going for checkup in 2 days time. We'll be going for checkup in 2 days time. So hopefully when we come back, I'll give you guys updates on how the whole thing went. But in today's video, we are going to be, my hair is really dry. I've not washed my hair for like, I can't even, since almost 3 weeks. Since 3 weeks now, I can see how dry my hair is looking. It's looking lifeless. So, and I want to trim my hair. My hair really needs trimming. You can see it. But I don't want to trim my hair before. I don't want to trim my hair because if I trim it in this state, I might trim out the hair that I'm not supposed to trim. So for you to get a good trim, you have to make sure your hair, your moisture and everything is balanced. Your hair is healthy, like is balanced, so that you know the parts that are really dead. So for me to get that, I want to do hot oil treatment to help to revive my hair and see the ones that are really lifeless, and trim them out. So today's video we are going to be making hot oil treatment for natural hair that will help to stimulate growth, to help you to stimulate separate, because when you do the hot oil treatment you tend to also do scalp massage, so it will help to circulate blood flow to your brain, to your head, to help for hair growth, because the oils I'm using are all oils that helps to stimulate growth. So I just simple thing. You can choose the particular oil you want to use for this depending on your hair type and the oils that works for your hair. So me, I'm using the oils that are good for my hair. You know, some oils are not good for a particular hair, so your hair might need this and mine might not like this. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Hot oil treatment for natural hair that will help to revive your hair and balance your hair. So and if you don't know what hot oil treatment is a process of combining some oils and they apply it to your hair and steam your hair with the oils to help your hair to be well, to absorb moisture and give room for moisture to stay in your hair for a longer period of time. So I'm doing the hot oil treatment because my hair is dry. One, I need to trim my hair. I need to be sure I'm not trimming out the hair. I've already cut my hair a lot, so because whenever I have baby, my hair tend to suffer a great setback. So most times I just reduce the length of my hair generally, because my hair was very long before. I had to cut it because at the point I was feeling stressed out because of it, plus baby and everything. So that's where I'm always transferring my anger is to my hair. But we are growing the hair back. We are growing the hair back now, and I need to make sure the hair is healthy and not lifeless like this. So let me show you how I do the hot oil. The first thing we'll be needing is your bowl. You'll be needing your bowl. You can use bowl, you can use a bottle like this, but I'm using bowl because I'm using it immediately, so, and it's easier for me to, like, I'm already used to it using bowl. So we'll be using bowl for this thing, and then we'll be using our oil. You can use any oil of your choice. This one is olive oil and sunflower oil together. Our bowl and our oil. So I'll be pouring my oil into this place. This is like 1 cup Jamaican black castor oil. I'll be adding few drops of it to this. So they say Jamaican black castor oil, it helps to thicken hair, it helps with hair growth and Olive oil is great for moisturizing natural hair. It helps with hair growth and everything. It's good for natural hair, especially if you have low porosity because it's a lightweight oil. So the next thing we'll be adding is this is avocado oil. I made it myself. This is a draw container, but I washed it, so I poured the avocado oil inside here. This is avocado oil. I will be adding 1 tablespoon of it. You can see it. This is amla oil. We'll be using amla oil with this. I'll be telling you the benefits of amla oil. It's good for hair growth. It helps, just like amla powder, it helps to thicken hair. It helps to grow thick hair. And this amla oil can be very staining. So if you're using it, you have to be very careful because amla darkens. Once you put it on your hair, it will change your hair color, like it will make it darker. But I'll written out the benefits of each of this oil on the screen for you. Argan oil. I'm using argan oil because it helps to give your hair that shine that you're looking for. So I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of it. Almond oil. Beef oil, mint oil, DIY. So the video will be up very soon on my channel, how I make my mint oil. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of it together in here. It's together, and this is hot water in a pot. I'm going to be placing this bowl inside the hot water so the oil will heat up. That is why it's called hot oil treatment. The oil has to be very warm. You can see the oil is lighter now because it's hot, it's warm. It's not very warm yet, but it's lighter. So I'll go ahead and get ready so we can start the application. The oil is already warm. You can see it's lighter now. It's looking very clear. It's looking very clear. So if the oil gets cold, you know when it's getting cold, it will start looking thicker. So you just place it back in the hot water and give it time, or place it in the hot water and continue what you're doing. So this is my oil, this is my warm water, this is warm water. I'm using warm water because just section your hair into smaller sections so that it will be easier for you. It's already in twist. I was losing it, but I decided no need, let me just apply it straight. So my hair is already sectioned because of the twist that I had. Using water helps the hair to loosen up and slightly finger detangle the hair so that it won't be that. The hair is really dry, really dry and lifeless. So what I do now is I'll put my hand, dip my hand into it like this, and I'll use it to apply on the hair that I just sprayed water, and slightly finger detangle it, making sure that the oil gets to the scalp, because the scalp also needs oil. If not, your scalp will be really dry, and they also concentrate on your ends. These are the places that need the oil the more. This place need the oil the more. So you can see I'm applying, concentrating on my ends. They are really dry. Syrup out of the way. can see my hair is really the end. You can see this part now is live, but I wouldn't know until I wash the hair. That's what I will know if through this place I need to trim this part. But for now it has to be here while I finish the other part of the hair. So I'm going to speed this part up so that the video doesn't take so much time. Use a plastic bag to cover the hair, and they allow you to steam for like 30 minutes before I wash it out. But I'll come back to show you guys what the hair looks like before I wash it out. But from here now you can see that the hair is already feeling moisturized and feeling soft already. I know my ends are bad, I need to trim it, but I'll do it after this video. After this treatment, I will trim off my ends so that it will look neat and clean. The outcome.
It's smaller. Smaller.
So you can see how super moisturized. So I'm going to go ahead now. I'm going to go ahead now and wash the hair. Guys, this is what my hair feels like after washing it with shampoo. I've not done the conditioning. If I'm talking now. So this is what my hair looks like after washing the hair. You can see the hair is not dry. It still has a bit of moisture in it, and I've not deconditioned. I just washed it with my DIY aloe vera deep cleansing shampoo. DIY aloe vera deep cleansing shampoo. So I just washed it with it. I will leave the link to the video in the description box if you want to see the video of how I made the aloe vera shampoo. So go ahead now and deep condition the hair, and so I can put in back moisture into the hair, and I will see you guys later. And yes, that is the end of the video. Thank you for staying with me.